Start the class. Uh, in the last class, what we were talking about was we were discussing about sexual reproduction in case of fungi. Right? So when we talk about fungi, some of the introductory points about fungi we have already discussed, and we were discussing the reproduction part. And what we said, all the three types of reproduction is seen in case of fungi: vegetative reproduction, asexual, and sexual. Right. So whenever we talk about fungi, another thing that we remember is generally most commonly by the formation of different types of spores that the fungi reproduce. Different types of asexual spores in the last class, we have completed that portion. Talking about sexual reproduction, obviously sexual reproduction would be seen in fungi because we have already started Protista to be the first kingdom where sexual reproduction was observed or noticed, right? So all the kingdoms after Protista definitely will have or will show sexual reproduction. So fungi is no exception. Fungi to sexual reproduction থাকিব, কিন্তু as we have discussed, there is slight difference between the sexual reproduction in fungi and the type of sexual reproduction in case of plants that we have last class we have discussed about it, right? What was the major point of difference is the major point was the formation of our intermediate step or the formation of a dikaryon, right? This dikaryon formation is not seen in or not seen during sexual reproduction in case of higher plants or in case of plants. Often fungi a dikaryon stage to dekha pai. What is a dikaryon? Dikaryon, obviously, so we are talking about the presence of two nuclei in a particular cell. And as we have already discussed, যে ডাইক্যারিয়ন ফর্ম কৰিব লাগিব তাৰ পিছতহে কি হ'ব যে ফাংগাইটো sexually reproduce কৰিব. We have discussed about the three steps of sexual reproduction. কি কি আছিলে? Plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis, and discussing about how does plasmogamy takes place in different types of fungi or fungi to fungi. The type of plasmogamy varies, right? 5 types of plasmogamy we have to study. Out of that, somatogamy, right? Spermatization, planogametic copulation. These are the three things that we have studied. I think we have talked about gametangial contact also. Today we'll start the class with the last type of, plasmogamy, that is gametangial copulation. What is gametangial? I think we understand contact, copulation. These are the three terms that we have already discussed in the class in the last time. So do you have any doubts regarding that, or we can proceed with gametangial copulation?
We can proceed with it.
Okay, thank you. So heading to likiba gametangial copulation. And gametangial contact we have learned it through our diagram. So similarly, gametangial copulation also will talk about it in the form of a diagram. Okay. So we have two mycelium. In this two mycelium, in the next step, So we have two mycelium, right? That is structure form corpus that is called as progametangia. Then ultimately they will swell up gametangia. They will fuse and form the zygospore. Zygospore will undergo meiosis, produce spores, and the spores will germinate to form the new mycelium again. Right. So difference between gametangial contact and gametangial copulation. If you remember, gametangial contact, it was only one mycelium that was involved, but in case of gametangial copulation, we see the presence or involvement of two mycelium. Right? Itu eta beleg. Okay. Diagram first. Is this part of the board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैं अपने थर्ड पॉइंट की लिखी
Third point लिखी celian. Gametangial copulation is celian, and the celian examples like Neophore, Rhizopus, etc. And these two examples are from the class Zygomycetes. এইটো part visible হোৱা নাই নেকি boardত?
Ma'am, visible আছে.
Okay. So talking about the different types of plasmogamy, I would just like to repeat it again that this is not so very important from examination point of view. Okay. So boards of any question is a gametangel copulation or detail that you have to write a short note, or maybe you have to write in details, or maybe about population. No, this is just a way we have. I mean, I have explained so that you understand. Out of the 5 types that we have discussed, what you need to remember is, in case of higher fungi, what is the type of plasmogamy that we see? Higher fungi, we talk about highest basidiomycetes. Higher fungi, obviously from Ascomycetes, right? So, higher fungi. So, in case of higher fungi, especially Ascomycetes and basidiomycetes, plasmogamy occurs by, out of these 5 methods, two methods are
Spermatization.
Spermatization and somatogamy, both the 2 types. If you remember in the last class, I have given certain examples about both of them, right? So, lower fungi, for example, if you're talking about zygomycetes or you're talking about oomycetes, these are classes of zygomycetes, and obviously they are lower fungi. So, higher fungi can be spermatization or somatogamy. But usually, somatogamy, when we are discussing, we have written one important point: the gametes form no kore, mycelium is a fuse, right? So this was all about sexual reproduction in fungi, right? Nutrition, sexual reproduction, where they are found, types, etc. We have discussed. The next point that we are going to discuss is classification of fungi. Fungi data class and some information about all the classes. So if this is over, heading koriba classification of fungi. It's a portion not.
I'm done.
Okay. When we are talking about classifications, fungi has been classified into 4 classes, right? And you have to learn all the 4 of them. So what we'll do, chart format, we'll be talking about the 4 classes. এইটো পইণ্টলৈকে দেখা পাইছানে?
Yes, ma'am.
So 4টা ক্লাছত ডিভাইড কৰিছে: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Out of these 4 classes, so Phycomycetes is lower fungi, right? Ascomycetes are also called as sac fungi, Basidiomycetes, club fungi. A word kita important day. Sac fungi ki, club fungi ki, and Deuteromycetes, fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungi. Okay. So sac fungi boli kiho karone kore? Sac fungi বা club fungi. These names are given on the basis of the structure of their fruiting body. Do you understand the term fruiting body? I think in slime walls we have discussed this term before. Fruiting body mane ki? It is also called as sporocarp, right? It is that structure inside which or in it where you will find the spores, right? So Ascomycetes also develop spores, Basidiomycetes will also develop spores. Depending on the shape or how the fruiting body look like, they are given these two specific names. Later we'll be drawing the diagram. As of now, when we talk about sac is right? Something like this. So inside this structure, you will see the spores. It looks like a sac, so it is called as a sac fungi. Similarly, in this case, the fruiting body looks like a club, and so it is called as club fungi. Clear? Now we'll be talking about the different points of comparison. So let's start with this one. The first point is about mycelium or the plant body. Wherever we talk about mycelium, we are concerned with the words that we have already discussed. You have to choose between aseptate, anseptate, sinusotic, monokaryotic বা dikaryotic. এইটা words এর ভিতরে we need to discuss. So if you are talking about lower fungi mycelium, septate hobo না aseptate hobo?
Aseptate.
It will be aseptate. And what about the nuclei condition?
Sinusotic.
Monokaryotic, dikaryotic, or sinusotic? Sinusotic. Very good. So this is the point that you will write here first. So likhiba aseptate. So in case of Phycomycetes, this is aseptate and sinusotic. What about Ascomycetes? Septate ne aseptate?
Septate.
Septate, monokaryotic ne dikaryotic?
Dikaryotic.
No. Okay, you take. Mycelium is monokaryotic, right? Only they will become dikaryotic during sexual reproduction or during the formation of the dikaryon stage. In maximum stages, they are monokaryotic. Talking about Basidiomycetes, again they are septate. And they are both monokaryotic and dikaryotic. But this monokaryotic phase is short-lived. বেশি সময় monokaryotic হয়ে না থাকে। Clear? এইখিনি words কিবা confusion আছে নেকি? Okay, before going to the next point, you should know one thing about this group of fungi that is called as fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungi. Now, the question is why they are called as imperfect fungi? They are called as sac fungi because their fruiting body looks like a sac. Similarly, these fruiting body looks like a club, and so they are called as club fungi. But the question is why they are called as imperfect fungi. In case of certain fungi, you do not see the sexual reproduction phase, right? কিছুমান fungi এনেকুৱা sexual reproduction to be দেখা নোপোৱা. Those group of fungi where you cannot see sexual reproduction are said to be imperfect fungi, and these fungi have been placed in a separate class that is Deuteromycetes. Is the point understood? যোনবিলাক fungi fungi বুলি ক'লে sexual reproduction to থাকিবই লাগিব because after protestation anything shows sexual reproduction. right? So whenever we talk about fungi, fungi has to show sexual reproduction. But out of these fungi, no, কিছুমান fungi এনেকুৱা দেখা পাওঁ যে sexual reproduction phase টো আমি নাজানো, right? যদি দেখা নাপাওঁ বা নাজানো, all these fungi are placed in one class. এটা class বনাই থৈ দিছে, and that class comprised of Deuteromycetes. So the most important point is sexual reproduction not known in this class. So they are called as imperfect fungi, right? Now, another question is, the fungi that belongs to this class does not mean that তাহাঁতৰ sexual reproduction কেতিয়াও আমি দেখা নাপাওঁ. In certain stages, or maybe as we read further about them, তাহাঁতৰ যদি আমি sexual reproduction দেখা পাওঁ, then they would be removed from this class and would be placed either in these three classes. Is the point understood? You can also understand it this way. Suppose you have discovered a fungi and you have started studying about the fungi, right? Morphology, anatomy, everything you are studying about the fungi. You come to reproduction. Asexual reproduction you have observed, but sexual reproduction you did not observe up till that time. So what to do? Take that fungi, put it in this class. Further studies, if that reveals that sexual reproduction is present, then it is removed from this class and either they are put in these three classes: Ascomycetes, Bacillomycetes, but very rare chances of putting into Phycomycetes. Maximum তাহাঁতক remove কৰি পেলাই ইহঁত দুটা ক্লাছৰ ভিতৰত থৈ দিয়ে. Is the point clear, or do you have any questions regarding this? Deuteromycetes or concept clear হ'ল নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest of the students?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Sexual reproduction absence যদি হয়, fungi টো ক'ত থবা? Deuteromycetes. সেই fungi টো যদি sexual reproduction দেখা পোৱা, তেতিয়াহ'লে Deuteromycetes পৰা ওলাই আনি পেলাই আমি ক'ত থৈ দিম? It can belong to Asco or it can belong to Basidia also. Right? So this was the first point. So that is the reason why we have written septate, aseptate, mono, dikaryotic. Right? Next. The second point is asexual reproduction. Right? Asexual reproduction, Phycomycetes of likha, zoospores, sporangiospores, conidiospores, etc. বা আৰু লিখিব পাৰে planospores লিখিব পাৰো. Right? In case of Ascomycetes, asexual reproduction is by conidia. In case of Basidiomycetes, asexual reproduction does not play a significant role. Means what? Asexual reproduction present or absent? Obviously present, but maximum, I mean, the presence of sexual, they will reproduce sexually instead of asexually. So we have written this point, asexual reproduction does not play a significant role. And talking about this, conidia. Next is sexual reproduction point. Exogamy and oogamy. In this case, The third point. Can you see the last point clearly? This part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, this point is important. Tick করে দিছো দেই। So in case of sexual reproduction, isogamy, oogamy, what is isogamy, what is oogamy, we have discussed already. In this case, we have what? Oogamous type. And whenever we talk about oogamous, what are the things that you remember? Key characteristics of oogamous type of sexual reproduction or key characteristics asile. Isogamous, we have discussed, if you remember, both the fusing gametes are morphologically same. That is what is called as isogamous. What are the characteristics that you have learned?
They are morphologically different.
They are morphologically different. Second point. Please try.
Male gametes are motile and female gametes are non-motile.
But please repeat again.
Male gametes are motile and female gametes are non-motile.
Male gametes and female gametes are non-motile. The female gamete is non-motile, but the male gamete is motile. Right? So oogamous both the fusing gametes are morphologically different. One is small, the other is large. One is motile, the other is non-motile. The female gamete that is generally referred to as egg, that is large and non-motile, and male juntu which is referred to as sperm, that is small and motile. So obviously, oogamous or motility is one factor that you have to consider. Male gamete. So here is an exception. No doubt they will undergo oogamous type, but in this case, the male gametes are non-motile. So question ahe, male gametes non-motile card. So in case of ascomycetes. Here?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Next in case of best. Huh. Yes, please.
Ma'am, non-motile হলে তেতিয়া হলে reproduction কেনেকে হ'ব?
Reproduction of under certain situations, they will come close to each other. Right? তাহাতে চোৱা আমি কিহৰ কথা কৈছো ascomycetes কথা কৈছো ন ascomycetes কোৱা লগে লগে if you remember we have discussed plasmogamy in which way কেনেকে দেখাইছো formatization দেখাইছিলো somatogamy দেখাইছিলো তাত কি হৈছে sperms কিছুমান বা spores কিছুমান ফৰ্ম কৰিছে spores বিলাক বতাহে উৰাই লৈ গৈছিলে the spores did not have to crawl or walk by itself or swim by itself agency through এটা জেগাৰ পৰা আনটো জেগালৈ ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰি ল'ব লাগে বা লাগা হয় তেতিয়া হলে মেল gametes টো motile হ'ব লাগিব জানো you can understand in this way if you are talking about higher plants or male gametes or কি নাম the term that we use for male gametes in higher plants male gametes ক'ত থাকে in case of higher plants angiosperm for sexual reproduction হয় নহয় yeah please say
Enter.
exactly or to be precise you have to talk about the pollen grain হয় anther আছে anther ভিতৰত pollen grains আছে pollen grains ৰ ভিতৰত কি আছে male gametes আছে so in case of higher plants sexual reproduction to definitely দেখা পাওঁ male gametes বিলাক motile নেকি non-motile
No, ma'am.
They're non-motile because they are inside the pollen grain and the pollen grain will be carried through different agencies. So this is the way in certain types, no? Non-motile male gametes do the process of fertilization. And one thing to remember is motile male gametes is obviously a characteristic of lower organisms and not of higher forms. ঠিক আছে যদি আমি প্ল্যান্ট গ্ৰুপৰ কথা কওঁ গোটেই প্ল্যান্ট কিংডমটোত নহয় যোনবিলাক লোৱাৰ প্ল্যান্টস আছে তাহাঁতৰহে মটাইল মেল গ্যামেটছ থাকিব যদি আমি হায়াৰ প্ল্যান্টছৰ কথা কওঁ ফৰ এক্সাম্পল জিমনোস্পাৰ্মছ এঞ্জিওস্পাৰ্মছ or maybe we are talking about higher forms ন তেতিয়াহ'লে তাহাঁতৰ কি হয় যে কেতিয়াও তাহাঁতৰ মেল গ্যামেটটো মটাইল নহয় কাৰণ পলিনেশনটো হ'বই ন তাতে Our male gamete motile hobo lagile aru eta problem ase problem to ki if the male gamete is motile then obviously it will require a medium through which it will swim to reach the female gamete lage motile male gamete eta eta jabole swim koribo lagibo na
লাগিব
right swim jodi koribo lage tetihale ki lagibo pani লাগিব right পানী যদি লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে there might be so many plants কি হ'ব যে তাহাঁতে পানী নহ'লে দেখোন হেৰিয়ে নকৰিব ৰিপ্ৰডাকশ্যনে নকৰিব right water habitat থাকিব লাগিব বা aquatic forms হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়াহে তাহাঁতে পানী পাব right so aquatic forms বিলাক we consider as কি lower forms so the point to be remembered is generally in case of lower organisms the gametes are motile in case of higher plants the gametes are not motile The best example to remember is pollen grains or ভিতৰত male gametes থাকে আৰু male gametes obviously non-motile হয় আৰু তেনেকুৱা কেছত কি হ'ব they would be carried from one place to another
yes ma'am
okay I think this is over লিখিব মুছিব পাৰো ন গোটেইখিনি
মেম তলৰ কেনে
okay এইখিনি হ'ল নে নাই
yes ma'am a point হৈছে মেম বেছিডম মেছেজ
এইটো হৈছে ন okay please write হৈ গ'ল next point of comparison is about the fruiting bodies spores bilak kot form koribo right so in case of lower group that is phycomycetes you do not see a specific structure jotiki spores bilak thakibo so we do not see a complex fruiting body but in case of or basidiomycetes tahator eta specific fruiting body thake and they have a specific name to that ascomycetes is the fruiting body that is called as ascocarp. This ascocarp contains a sac-like structure ascus. Diagram to really basic clear hobo. And inside the ascus, ki thakibo around 8 ascospores. Exactly সদায় যে 8 এ থাকিব not necessary 4 to 8 6 to 8 ascospores 5 information about the ascospores are these are endogenously formed remember the meaning of endogenous formation
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
right likhilo diagram all pisot dim similarly in case of basidiomycetes also they will have a fruiting body that fruiting body would be called as a basidiocarp in the basidiocarp what you will see is basidium yaar jeneke ascus likhila In the basidium, what you will see is 4 basidiospores. And these basidiospores are exogenously formed. And in this case, I think this word is not clear, no? Right? So floating body, floating body, what is the name? You need to remember what is ascocarp, what is basidiocarp. Inside the ascocarp, you have a structure called as ascus. Inside the basidiocarp, you will have basidium. Basidium, basidiospores, ascospores. Question has been asked about the number of ascospores in an ascus and number of basidiospores in an basidium. Right? You have to remember 4 and 8. Ascospores were endogenously formed, basidiospores were exogenously formed. And obviously during, in case of Deuteromycetes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a portion who is a subore, and so that I can give the diagram of this portion.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So we were talking about a fruiting body called as ascocarp. Four to 8 ascospores থাকে. And the whole structure is called as so diagram to চাই পেলাই অকমান clear হৈছে নে terms কিটা? What is the ascocarp, what is the ascal, and what is the ascospore, and how they are formed? এই যে line structure বিলাক দেখিছা, these are nothing but mycelium. Mycelium covers the entire structure. They form a fruiting body, and that is called as ascocarp. Due to information likhisa, with that information, are you understanding the structure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this we see the ascospores inside the testes. So we have used the word ki endogenously formed. In case of this also, similarly, we'll be seeing They are called as keep club fungi, no? So these are nothing but the mycelium that is covering the entire fruiting body. Is the diagram clear? দেখা পাইছা ন ভালকে? Now looking at the diagram, are the terms clear? What is the ascus? Ascospore কি বস্তু? Ascocarp কি বস্তু? Similarly, basidiospore, basidiocarp আৰু basidiospores. Exogenously formed, endogenously formed. Clear হৈছে গোটেইখিনি?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you yeah, please ask.
I said yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I have a now?
Ma'am, Basidospore দুটা diagram মধ্যে difference কি আছে?
দুটা diagram difference কি? যে either the basidospores could be directly attached to the basidium or they can develop with us by a stalk-like structure. Directly ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা part develop কৰিব পাৰে নহলে অকমান stalk থাকিব পাৰে.
Okay.
Clear? And as far as the number of basidiospores are concerned, 4 of them. Ascospores, no doubt we have drawn 4, but what is the exact number? You have to remember 8. Right? Can I rub this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last point of the chart is point number 5. Examples of all the classes, right? So these are certain examples of the different classes. Can you read the spellings properly? Mucor, rhizopus, pythium, phytophthora. Whenever we talk about rhizopus, what do you remember? It is also called as bread mold. এখন ছাড় দিম যদি কি এটা এটা common name থাকিব, we'll be discussing later. So bread mold, the most common type of fungi that we see, no? Bread এখন যদি তুমি বহুত দিন থৈ দিয়া তাত কি হ'ব? You'll see certain types of black dots, right? So that is what is called as bread fungi or black dots or dot fungi, whatever. That is what is called as rhizopus. তাৰপিছত pythium, phytophthora, lower forms, talking about Ascomycetes. These are the examples. Talking about Basidiomycetes, mushroom, that it's obviously the common name. The scientific name Agaricus, we'll discuss later. Rust fungi, we are talking about the Puccinia, different types of Puccinia. And if we are talking about smart fungi, we have Mucilego. Can you discuss for it?
Ma'am. Ma'am, Ascomycetes or second example, please.
Erythaifae. Erythaipae.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this chart tells us about certain information about the four classes of fungi. As we have discussed, fungi kimanta class of divided into class, Phyco, Ascobacteria, and Butero. Characteristics of all the four classes have been depicted in this chart. So please read the chart properly. Talking about the different examples, some of the examples we have written. And another point to remember is fungi part of maximum questions ki ahe. Maximum fungi we understand that microorganisms are the maximum or the most common word ki cause disease, no? So I think we have already talked about this point. Bacterial disease asile, Ascomycetes or disease asile, sorry, actinomycetes or disease asile. We have talked about, right? Next is bacterial disease, fungal disease, viral disease, mycoplasmal disease, etc., right? So fungi portion of fungal disease bilakor upor maximum question ahe. So fungi key disease cause for it, right? Out of all the diseases that we are going to read, tar bhitor rust fungi ba rust disease or smart disease kune cause kore bacteriomycetes. Ei duto word ami moনত rakhibo লাগিব. Details we'll do it later. Erythaifae, very important. Penicillin, Aspergillus, important. Morchella is edible. Mushroom is edible. So question ahe, give an example of an edible Ascomycetes. We know whenever we talk about that, we generally remember about mushroom. But mushroom is an example of an edible Basidiomycetes. The edible Ascomycetes who are. Hey, chartkhon mo bisod din. Eto hol niki.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, what we are going to do next is, each and every class or jinkini points chart out line, we are going to discuss. So heading koriba Phycomycetes. Right? Talking about Phycomycetes, আমি কি জানো? This is a class of lower fungi. Next. They are also called as algal fungi কিহৰ কাৰণে as they are aquatic in nature, right? Another point, according to a mycologist now, or according to a scientist called Alexopoulos, phycomycetes is just not what is. It is not just one class of fungi, but according to him, it is dissolved or so phycomycetes is a maximum information in the chart we have already discussed as far as the plant body reproduction, right? So examples here are some other points. First point, lower fungi. They are also called as algal fungi. Point why they are called? Because of their aquatic nature. Next is, according to one scientist called Alexopoulos, he was of the opinion that আমি directly fungi খিনি গোটেইবিলাক fungi চাৰিটা classত directly আমি divide কৰি দিব নোৱাৰো, as we have already divided, Phyco, Asco, Basidio and Deutero. But according to this scientist in particular, what he said is Phycomycetes itself is not just one class, but it is a mixture of 6 classes. So ছটা different class বা ছটা different class লগ লাগি পেলাই কি form কৰিছে Phycomycetes group to form কৰিছে. Out of these 6 classes, lower fungi তাৰমানে কি? According to our previous chart, what we have written that whenever we talk about lower fungi, we know only about Phycomycetes. But according to him, lower fungi বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে কেইটা class আছে? ছটা class আছে. And all these other 6 classes together, they form what? The group called as Phycomycetes. So out of the different 6 classes, you have to talk about 2 class only. কেইটা আছে? ছটা. We have to study 2 classes. কি কি? Six classes যেনেকে Oomycetes আছে, Zygomycetes আছে বা আৰু বহুত আছে, Chytridiomycetes আছে, etc. So 6 classes নাম নালাগে, খালি Oomycetes আৰু Zygomycetes বিলাকে. So what we will study is, whenever we talk about the classification of fungi has been divided into 4 classes, that is Phyco, Asco, Basidio and Deutero. Phyco has further been divided into 2, actually 6, but we'll be talking about 2 of them, Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Clear? Samane? Fungi, Phyco, Asco, Basidio, Deutero. Phyco আকৌ কিমানত divide কৰিছে? 6 classত divide কৰিছে. আমি কি পঢ়িম? Oomycetes আৰু Zygomycetes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then if this is over, again, your chart dividing the page into 2 columns, that is Oomycetes আৰু Zygomycetes. It's a তাহাঁতৰ ওপৰত আমি information পঢ়িব লাগিব. Okay. Oomycetes, Dicomycetes की होय lower fungi. Do any of you remember one statement about oomycetes that we have discussed in our previous classes? Something regarding their cell wall. কি মনে আছে?
cellulose আছিলে
Very good. So that was a unique point, right? So আমি কি বলছিলাম যে whenever we talk about the cell wall of fungi, it is made up of chitin or chitin, whatever you say, or it is also called as fungal cellulose. But there is a group of fungi where you can see cellulose in the cell wall. ক'ত দেখা পাওঁ in case of oomycetes. এই statementটো আমি already কৰিছো. So first point is about this hyphal wall বা cell wall কি কোৱা?
Ma'am, cellulose and other people.
And other glucans, GANS.
Okay, ma'am.
ইয়াতে খালি cellulose wordটো মনত ৰাখিলে হৈ গ'ল. So habitat one is aquatic, other is terrestrial. Asexual reproduction, ইয়াতে কি form কৰিছে zoospores, ইয়াতে কি form কৰিছে sporangiosperms. এইখিনি লিখি লোৱা. I think this word is clear now. Heterocont. মনত আছে নাই heterocont wordৰ meaningটো? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in this case, if you're talking about these juice pores, no? এই juice pores বিলাকৰ flagella থাকিব নে নাথাকে? Obviously থাকিব. এডাল থাকিব নে দুডাল থাকিব?
Adult.
One.
They'll have one flagella or they'll have two flagella?
One flagella.
One flagella or two flagella? If it is one, then how can you use the word heterocont? Juice pores বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে they will have flagella, right? We have talked about the different types of spores. One type of a motile spore is obviously a juice spore that will always have a flagella. Right? Talking about the number of flagella present, edal ne dudal. So, two flagella are present, and if both the flagella are morphologically different, that is the time when we use the word called as heterocont condition. So, they will form juice pores, and the juice pores will have heterocont type of flagella, means duidal flagella morphologically different. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Point number 4. Next is point number 5. Think about sexual reproduction. In oomycete, sexual reproduction occurs in oospore. And oospore is considered as the site of meiosis. So this is the first point. Second point, sexual reproduction occurs by gamete-angel contact. In this case, occurs by So phycomycetes, two types, oomycetes, aru zygomycetes, both of them are lower fungi. So some of the points of characteristic points about oomycetes and some points about zygomycetes they have written. So in case of oomycetes, sexual reproduction of karone, what they will produce is a oospore. In case of zygomycetes, what they will produce is zygospore. The oospore will undergo meiosis, the zygospore will also undergo meiosis. When we are talking about this part, no, zygospore যেতিয়া পঢ়ি আছো no, আৰু এটা word জানিব লাগে that is called as azygospore. So based on this, ইয়াতে লিখিবা এইখিনি part হ'ল নেকি? Gametangial contact, gametangial copulation, is that part over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, below this point, no, zygospore তলত এটা term লিখা azygospore. What is azygospore? Sometimes the two gametangia fails to fuse দুটা gametangia population of zygomycetes বিলাকৰ sexual reproduction কেনেকে হয় by the process called as gametangial copulation. So we have already discussed gametangial copulation and what we remember in this process দুটা gametangia যোন দুটা ফর্ম কৰে সেই দুটা কি হয় ফিউজ হৈ পেলাই তাহাঁতে যোনটো নতুন স্ট্রাকচার ফর্ম কৰে তাক কি বুলি কয় জাইগোস্পোর বুলি কয় বাট সার্টেন কেসেস কেতিয়াবা কি হয় যে গ্যামেটেনজিয়া ফর্ম কৰে কিন্তু দে ফেইল টু ফিউজ during gametangial copulation. Then what they do is then they form a thick wall in and around them, and this structure is called as azygospore. Right? In normal cases কি ফর্ম কৰিব জাইগোস্পোর ফর্ম কৰিব কেতিয়াবা যদি তাহাঁতে ফিউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰে তেতিয়াহলে তাহাঁতে কি কৰে দুইটা লগ লাগি থাকি পেলাই এখন wall in and around ফর্ম কৰে and that structure is called as azygospore. Have you written this part finished?
Yes, ma'am.
সবৰে হৈছে ন Okay. Oomycetes, algal fungi, zygomycetes are called as conjugation fungi. নামবিলাক মনত ৰাখিবা. Why they are called as conjugation fungi? Because they undergo sexual reproduction by the process called as gametangial copulation or gametangial conjugation. So, characteristics about Oomycetes or zygomycetes. So up till now, what we have studied is we are talking about the classification of fungi, and fungi has been classified into 4 classes: Phyco, Asco, Basidio, and Deutero. Out of those 4 classes, if you are talking about lower fungi, then obviously we are referring to Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes itself has 6 other classes. Out of them, we'll be talking about 2 of them, that is Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Talking about Oomycetes, the most important point, they have cellulose in their cell wall. Second, they are called as algal fungi. And in case of Zygomycetes, one important point is they are also called as conjugation fungi. So question I go for it, conjugation fungi ki, algal fungi ki. After this, what we need to talk about is certain examples of Oomycetes and examples of Zygomycetes and the specific disease they cause. Fungi part of fungal disease or both questions I say, right? So kuntu fungi is not very important. Kuntu disease cause for it, ki harm for it. So this is the part that we need to study. So this is over. That like examples of Oomycetes. It's a whole like
Yes, ma'am.
important. Very important. Example of Oomycetes and the disease they cause. So directly question ahead, late blight of potato is caused by, or Phytophthora infestans causes dash. It causes late blight of potato. So nothing about the details of the disease as to description of what question ahead is what is late blight of potato, right? So first question ahead identify the fungal disease. Second is the positive organism.
Brassica campestris.
Brassica campestris, TRIS, is the scientific name of mustard.
Thank you, ma'am.
Omicities class to বহুত examples আছে, but these are the examples that are very, very important, right? So maximum questions এইকেইটাৰ ওপৰত আহে. For example, damping of disease আহে. Next is এইটোতো বহুতেই আহে. Elbow candida, right? White rust in crucifers. Now, listen to one thing very clearly. Whenever we talk about fungi, we talk about rust disease, right? Rust disease বুলি ক'লে দুটা type. এটা হ'ল white rust আৰু এটা হ'ল black rust. Black rust কোনে cause কৰে? Vaccinia, that belongs to Bacillomyces. White rust কোনে cause কৰে? Elbow, that belongs to Omicites, right? So specifically যদি black rust দিয়ে তেতিয়াহলে আমি Vaccinia কথা লিখিম আৰু white rust বুলি দিলে তেতিয়াহলে আমি will have to talk about Elbow candida. Elbow candida আৰু এটা নাম আছে ন Cystopas candida, but this name is not important, right? এটোৰ ওপৰত ইমান question আহা নাই, কিন্তু Elbow candida, white rust and mustard white rust in crucifer, white rust in brassica. Okay, crucifer means what? We are talking about the family that is cruciferae. Right? So Brassica campestris, that is the scientific name of mustard. Mustard belongs to the family called as cruciferae or Brassicaceae. So we are writing the word called as crucifers. Is the point understood? Next, green ear disease or ওপৰতো question আহে দেই. এই গোটেইকেইটা important, কিন্তু এই তিনিটা বেছি important. Any spelling that you did not understand? Jadi hol মোক কবা.
Ma'am, done.
Last part is
Everyone
remain.
correct? Okay, please write.
105 remain.
Okay. Take your time and write.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, means crucifers and Brassicaceae are the same family.
Yeah. Actually, I should not be answering this question. কিহৰ কাৰণে কোৱা? Living world পঢ়িছিলা নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Living world পঢ়িছিলা? তাতে এটা বস্তু দিছিলে, if you remember. Living world class কৰিছিলা নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done, right? So I think you remember we have given something called as new name and old name.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So কিছুমান families or কি থাকে new name আছে আৰু কিছুমান old name আছে ন? তাৰ ভিতৰতে one example is cruciferae or Brassicaceae. আৰু এটা example আছিলে Asteraceae বা Compositae. Right? অকমান সেইখিনি বস্তু চাই লবা। ঠিক আছে? So cruciferae and Brassicaceae, the same name or one family. আৰু repeatedly question এইকেইটাৰ ওপৰতে আহি থাকে, ইয়াতকে বেছি আৰু Omicites or questions আহা নাই। Is the last part over?
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next, write examples of zygomycetes. The first example is pilobolus, also called as no disease related to it, but you have to remember the name. Also called as black bread mold. Next is mucormycoids. Dung mold, or it is also called as pin mold. So this is all about Phycomycetes. We have discussed the characteristics of Phycomycetes and obviously in details about the two classes that belong to Phycomycetes, that is Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Some examples of Oomycetes, some example of Zygomycetes. As far as disease causing is concerned, maximum question has been asked from the Oomycetes. So if you are done with this, please tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done.
So Phycomycetes is over. Next, click a heading, Oomycetes, the points that are not present in the chart. Ascomycetes or baki soap points diso khali ascas of information likhibo ase. We have to talk about the different types of ascas, and by now I think if I say about ascas you have an idea which part we are talking about. Ascas ki hoy? The sac-like structure inside which ascospores are formed, right? So class Ascomycetes of quark, ascospores are formed during sexual reproduction. Second point, in case of Ascomycetes, sexual reproduction occurs by which method? Likha somatogamy. Somatogamy method আছে no? য'ত নেকি মাইসিলিন ফিউজ হৈ পেলাই প্লাজমোগামী, ক্যারিওগামী আৰু মিউনিস বা সেক্সুয়াল রিপ্রোডাকশন হৈছিল। নেক্সট, so in the class Ascomycetes, sexual reproduction কাৰণে কি form কৰে? Ascocarp বা ascospores form কৰে। Ascospores বোৰ basically ক'ত থাকে? Ascus ক'ত থাকে? The fruiting body that is called as ascocarp. Ascocarp কি হয়? Fruiting body in Ascomycetes. We see different types of ascocarp, right? Ascocarp or অকমান information. Question ahe, a ascocarp is called as, kali kitaman terms জানিব লাগিব, ultakeo ahibo pare. Maybe if you are using the word called as apothecium, okay, cup-like ascocarp is called as apothecium. Apothecium is a dash type of ascocarp. It's a cup type of ascocarp. So ascocarp ki hoy? Fruiting body to jodi cup-like hoy, it is called as apothecium, and it is found in example called as Piziza. Piziza fungite and we keep a cup-like ascocarp. The ascocarp could be flask-shaped also. If it is flask-shaped, it is called as perithecium. So, A words kita hai important nahi? Apothecium, perithecium, and it is found in Neurospora aru Claviceps. There are many types. We'll be talking about 3 of them. Closed ascocarp, it is called as Clistothecium. It is found in Penicillium. Right? Just to have an idea, ascocarp fruiting body, they can be of different shapes. Cup shape, obviously it looks something like this, right?
Ma'am, itu closed ascocarp to CLE, ma'am, I hoy niki to.
Clisto, CLEIS.
Thank you, ma'am.
Clistothecium, right? So ascocarp to kenuka hobo, enuka cup shaped structure hobo, tate ki thakibo, ascus bilak thakibo. এসকাছৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকিব এসকছ স্পোৰ্স বিলাক থাকিব right and together with that আৰু কিছুমান sterile cells থাকিব they are called as apophyses ইমান নালাগে apophyses ascus ascospore etc and when we talk about apophyses এইবিলাক কি হয় sterile tissues okay এক second word to ভুল হৈছে it is not apophysis instead it is paraphysis right the point of drawing or showing paraphysis is because not very important okay just you need to remember cup like ki boli call flash tape or closed ascocarp so the first point is what is the ascocarp is a fruiting body inside the ascocarp what is basically important is obviously the ascus or inside the ascus ki pao ami ascospores so এটা বস্তু কি মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব whenever we are talking about a fruiting body it is not like this that it has only fertile cells right অকল reproduction or কাৰণে যোনখিনি important অকল যে হেকিনিয়ে থাকিব not necessary it also contains certain types of sterile tissues also if you remember last class of আমি sporangiosperm আঁকিছিলো no something like this আঁকিছিলো নে
Yes, ma'am.
right so এই গোটেই structure টোক আমি কি বুলি কম fruiting body right it is called as sporangiocarp এইবিলাক কি হয় sporangium so এই গোটেই fruiting body বিলাকত এই spores বিলাকে reproductive part is fertile but in this also you have certain type of sterile tissues and in this case the sterile tissues is represented by columella well aki disilu last class similarly in this case also when we are talking about the fruiting body je okol khali spores bilake thakibo not necessary this one sterile tissues o thake and one type of sterile tissue is paraphysis in this type of ascocarp paraphysis bilakor function ki that they help in what spreading or releasing or liberating the spores ascus to jetia burst koribo the spores will come out right and the spores needs to follow in a larger area যদি কোনোৱে হেল্প নকৰে তেতিয়াহলে কি হ'ব যে ইয়াতে ascus ফাটি পেলাই spores বিলাক ওচৰতে ফৰ্ম কৰিব so that the spores get spread to different areas it is always this sterile tissue that is called as paraphysis ইমান important নহয় important কি যে এটা স্পোৰোকাৰ্পৰ ভিতৰত all the fertile tissues not necessary it has a combination of both sterile tissues and fertile tissues together clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay so ascocarps could be of many types right তাৰ ভিতৰত আমি 3 of them we have studied remember the name apothecium perithecium and cleistothecium next part is we need to talk about the examples of ascomycetes okay jeneke ami examples of oomycetes zygomycetes and the diseases they cause ami pohisilu thik teneke oomycetes or pohibo laibo in case of oomycetes and basidiomycetes we have a lot of examples so what I will do is I will just send you a xerox of that or PDF of that right instead of me writing each and every example here around 9 to 10 examples of ascomycetes 9 to 10 examples of basidiomycetes you have to learn ঠিক আছে so tare moi ki korim xerox copy to pathai dim so khali tumalke notes ot jot likhisa tat likhi thoi diba for examples refer to the xerox or for example or refer to the PDF Is the point clear? মনে রাখো স্ক্রিনশট বা ফটো মাৰি পেলে পঠাই দিম ঠিক আছে সো এক্সাম্পলস আমি পিছত তাৰ পৰা পঢ়িবা এতিয়া আমি খালি কি চাম যে how does sexual reproduction occur in spermatogenesis in the form of a diagram. So what is the type of sexual reproduction that they show? লগতে লিখিছিলো কি দেখাই Spermatogenesis undergo sexual reproduction by which method? Somatogamy. So obviously, দুডাল mycelium আছে, দুডাল mycelium কি কৰিব? প্ৰথমতে কন্টেক্টত আহিব, তাৰ পিছত তাহাঁতৰ common wall to fuse হ'ব। Diagramতে আমি আঁকি দিম ঠিক আছে there is no point of writing it in sentence
বোৰ্ডখন অলপ ব্লাৰ হৈ গৈছে
Yes, ma'am.
blur হৈছে
Yes, ma'am.
maybe there might be some network issues is it clear now
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
so আমি ইয়াতে কি চাম যে Spermatogenesisৰ সেই এস্কাছৰ কথা যে কৈ আছিলো we have talked about escas etc কেনেকে ফৰ্ম কৰে right diagram কাটি থাকোতে চাবা বুজি পাইছা নে নাই হা আমি কি কৰি আছো we are talking about sexual reproduction in Spermatogenesis what is the product ascospore how does it occur it occurs by somatogamy Next, talking about sexual reproduction in any type of fungi, তিনটা step থাকিবই লাগিব, plasmogamy, karyogamy আৰু meiosis.
Ma'am, itu Esco genus hyphen है Esco
Ascogenus. Ascogenus. Genous. আমাৰ যোনডাল হাইফি বা যোনটো পজিশনৰ পৰা এস্টাছক ফৰ্মেশনটো কৰিব হা.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so diagram টোত আমি কি দেখাইছো যে ascomycetes of sexual reproduction কেনেকে হয় ঠিক আছে. So sexual reproduction হবলৈ তিনটা stage লাগিব. So this is the way that they form. Now if the question is asked, are gametes formed during sexual reproduction in ascomycetes? The answer would be yes or no. Gamete formation দেখিছো নেকি?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
নাই দেখা. So in higher cases, no, বা higher class of fungi, especially ascomycetes and pseudomycetes, তাহাঁতৰ sexual reproduction ৰ সময়ত gamete formation নহয়, right? Instead, the cell would behave like this. And the key form, so important key, sexual reproduction of fungi important হ'ল যে dikaryon টো form কৰিব লাগিব, right? Dikaryon টো কোনে form কৰিছে? Gamete দুটা fuse কৰি form কৰিছে নে mycelium ৰ দুডাল mycelium দুটা cell fuse কৰি form কৰিছে? Fungi to fungi vary কৰিব. Higher classes of what we have seen is we do not see gamete formation neither in case of basidiomycetes nor in case of ascomycetes. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions from this part? Diagram clear হৈছে?
Yes.
So তিনটা তিনটা স্টেপ আমি দেখা পাবো কে কে প্লাজমোগ্যামি ক্যারিওগ্যামি meiosis clear so I think this is all for today. So in the next class, what we'll discuss is again similar like ascomycetes, the few points that are not present in the chart. So we'll be talking about the next class, that is basidiomycetes, and obviously about butyromycetes also, right? So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Any questions, by the way? No questions, Asil?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then. Thank you. We'll meet on the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
You, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.